guys, so I am going to do a very quick tutorial for the Riverdance Jack so that you can pick up on that move a little bit easier when I do it. So lower body only to start. It's a little hop happening, and while you're doing that hop, you're doing a knee, a tap, a knee, and a drop. Out in, knee, tap, knee, drop, out in. So that little bounce is important, yeah? So do it with me, just the lower body, knee, tap, knee, out, in, up, over. And this is why I call it the Riverdance Jack. It feels very Riverdancey to me, at least my rendition of it. Okay, so all you're doing with your arms is your opposite side arm. Pretend like there's a string on your thigh. Lift, drop, jumping jack. The other side, lift, tap, lift, drop, jumping jack. When we put that together, we're gonna go slow. Opposite hand and leg, up, tap, up, drop, jumping jack. The other side, up, tap, up, drop, jumping jack. You're a little puppet and the puppeteer all at the same time. Ready? So let's try it. This is something that'll get better the more you do it. Then once you have it, you'll be a Riverdance Jack master. Okay, so let's go. Grab your string on your left knee, take it up, tap, up, down, and then the jack, up, and jack. Up, tap, up, jack, up, jack. That's all it is. And if you want nothing to do with that, you can just do a jumping jack. There's your modification, just a jumping jack. That works for me. All right, let me know how it goes. Did you get it? All right, good luck.